Think ransomware is just a problem for big corporations? Think again. Small and medium businesses right here in Calgary are facing a surge in ransomware attacks, and the threat is growing every day. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your systems and demands payment to restore access. In just the past few weeks, hundreds of Canadian businesses have been hit, including local companies in construction, services, and professional sectors. Attackers are using sophisticated tactics, from phishing emails to exploiting remote access, and they're targeting organizations with limited cybersecurity resources. Why? Because they know your customer, financial, and operational data is valuable, and even a short disruption can bring your business to a standstill. Even unsuccessful attempts like the recent incident at Calgary Public Library show how close these threats are to home. The best defense is preparation. Have an incident response plan, invest in regular backups, multi-factor authentication, and employee training. And if you're targeted, report it early to help protect others. Don't wait for a crisis. Make security your business advantage.